Definitely come tomorrow and into Saturday. Those 2 days are going to feel very pleasant for us after we're still dealing with the heat and humidity today, and that's going to fuel the chance for some scattered storms. We're seeing a couple areas of these showers and storms, and for the rest of us throughout Metro West, it's just partly sunny. But let's travel closer to where we see this cluster of showers and storms continuing to advance east, working past Block Island and just now knocking on the door along the western fringe of Martha's Vineyard. You can see here numerous flashes of lightning, so this is a heads up there. And it'll continue to advance off to the east within the Nantucket vicinity within the next hour or so. And then we travel farther off to the north and west. Some cells have been developing out of Franklin County and continuing off to the north and east. Flashes of lightning associated with that as well. Again, this is just round one. We're also tracking round two. Area of low pressure and a front that's far off to the northwest, draped across Canada and just east of Michigan. And it's out ahead of that cold front where we have the chance for some isolated severe storms. The biggest threat here is going to be potentially damaging wind gusts, but we still have a lot of water vapor in the atmosphere, so any of these cells could produce some torrential downpours, and any storms always that risk of lightning. As we look at future forecasts, I think the next couple of hours we keep that best chance for these showers and storms around, then likely a little bit of a break. We'll get into some sunshine that'll destabilize the atmosphere a little bit more, and then you see more of these cells starting to pop up off to our north and west. I think once we get to say 5, 6 o'clock, we'll watch for some of these storms to bubble up from western Mass, and this will continue to travel across southern New England as we get through the evening, say between 6 and 9 o'clock within parts of Metro West. And then once we get past 10 o'clock, then that threat is going to diminish, and then we'll quiet things through the overnight. But how about those temperatures? It's also warm to hot out there. 90 in Nashua, making it a heat wave officially. 88 in Boston, 89 in Fitchburg. We have dew points that are still in the low 70s, so it's still that tropical feel, but this is what's really going to change come tomorrow. We look at the heat index, makes it feel like it's still in the mid to upper 90s. Reason we still have that heat advisory running for today. So just continue taking it easy, making sure you're staying hydrated. That southwest breeze is going to be key at pushing that warmth all the way to the coastline again, with temperatures in the upper 80s near 90 degrees for today, and allow low to mid 80s across the Cape and the islands. Overnight, temperatures are dropping into the upper 60s, low 70s. The wind is going to shift. It'll be out of the west and northwest. And that's going to help to bring in some drier air, and our dew points are going to drop. Might feel a little muggy come tomorrow morning, but then through the afternoon, we ease more into that comfortable air mass. And look where our temperatures are, closer to average in the low to mid 80s, while we'll be in the upper 70s, low 80s across the Cape and the islands. We keep it pleasant as we head through the start of the weekend for your Saturday. I think that's going to be a picture-perfect summer day for us. And then the mugginess creeps back into Sunday. That's going to feel the threat for some showers and storms. Looks like a warm front in the morning could bring more widespread shower and storm activity, and there's still that chance for a shower and storm opportunity as we go through the second half of the day. Something we'll continue to fine-tune over the next